In a world where the climate grows increasingly unpredictable, where scorching heat waves and sudden storms disrupt the rhythm of nature, the balance that once nurtured life begins to shift. Plants, the silent warriors of our planet, now face a new battle. They thirst under the blazing sun. They wither in unexpected droughts. They struggle to bloom in shifting seasons. As our Earth transforms, the way we care for plants must transform too. This is more than gardening. It is preservation, a step towards harmony between people, nature, and the climate. Because every plant we grow in the right place is a promise of resilience, a breath of hope, a future rooted in understanding. But as the seasons change unpredictably, gardeners, farmers, and nature lovers are left uncertain. Which plant will thrive? What soil is best? How much sunlight is enough? In Malaysia's rich but challenging climate, even experienced growers struggle to match the right plant to the right place. Many give up, not because they lack passion, but because they lack guidance. And without the right plants in the right environment, we lose more than just a harvest. We risk biodiversity, we waste resources, we miss the chance to restore balance. Before building any system, it's important to know why we're doing it. There were three main goals that guided everything we did. First, we wanted to understand what really matters when choosing the right plant. So our first objective was to identify the key factors that influence plant selection based on the environment. Things like temperature, humidity, sunlight, all of these play a big role in whether a plant will survive or thrive. Next, we focused on building it. The second objective was to develop a working prototype, a real, web-based system we called Plant Buddy. Using random forest for prediction and content-based filtering for recommendations, we created a system that could actually help users get suggestions based on their location and environment. And of course, we didn't stop there. The final step was to evaluate how well it performs. We tested it using several performance metrics: accuracy, recall, precision, F1 score, confusion matrix, and hit rate. This helped us make sure that the system doesn't just work, but works well.
Therefore, we present to you Plant Buddy, your intelligent companion in choosing the perfect plant, based on your environment. The journey begins the moment you open the system. Just tap, allow location, and let Plant Buddy do the rest. Plant Buddy automatically detects your real-time environmental conditions, including temperature, humidity, and light intensity, all seamlessly captured using integrated APIs from your device's location. No forms to fill, no manual entry. Once the data is collected, the Discover Plant Type button becomes active. At this point, Plant Buddy classifies your environment and suggests the most suitable plant type, like herb, shrub, tree, palm, or vine. You'll also see a confidence score, and even a probability chart showing how other plant types compare, giving you both information and trust in the system's decision. From there, one click on Start Plant Matching opens a curated list of plants that match your conditions, complete with names, photos, care tags, and usage info. Need to narrow it down? Use the filter panel to sort by sunlight needs, soil moisture, or even purpose, like medicinal, decorative, or edible plants. Interested in one? Click View Details for full information, from scientific name and ideal care conditions, to how often it should be watered or fertilized. And when you find the perfect match, just click Add to Garden. In the My Garden section, every plant card comes with a color status indicator, your instant guide to knowing which plants need attention. Blue means your plant is doing just fine. Yellow signals it may need a little care soon. Red tells you that action is needed immediately. This visual system keeps you informed at a glance, so you'll never miss a watering or feeding again. Beneath each plant card, you'll find helpful action buttons. Water, tap this after watering to update the last watering date. Fertilize, keeps track of your fertilizing routine. Notes, add custom reminders like repot next month, or check for pests. These buttons help you log every care activity, so your garden stays healthy, organized, and personalized. And if life gets busy, Plant Buddy has your back, with automatic reminders that let you know days since plant last watered and fertilized. You'll never miss a beat in your plant care routine, even when life gets hectic. With Plant Buddy, you don't just grow plants, you grow knowledge, confidence, and connection to nature. All tailored to you, all starting from your environment. Because every garden deserves a smart beginning. Now, we're testing the Plant Buddy system in 2 different locations, Kota Baru and Kuala Terengganu. The system adapts to each location's unique data like temperature and humidity to provide tailored plant recommendations. Plant Buddy is more than just a plant recommendation tool. It's a small step towards smart gardening and a more sustainable environment. It encourages people to grow the right plants in their own spaces, supporting greener homes and urban gardening. Whether in cities or rural areas, it empowers small-scale gardeners and beginners with data-driven suggestions. Not only that, it educates users on how to choose climate-resilient plants by reading real-time environmental data like temperature, humidity, and sunlight. This reduces water waste and increases plant survival rates. With every smart recommendation, Plant Buddy contributes to preserving ecosystems and supports Malaysia's sustainability mission. One plant at a time. Plant Buddy, your space, your climate, your ideal plant.